This tutorial will show you the quiz possibilities. Open your dashboard and add a new multiple choice question. The green checkboxes indicate which is the right answer. You can select multiple checkboxes. Go to Settings and enable Ask Name. This way you know who will be the winner. Open the question and wait for people to vote. Go to Quiz Winners. Here you see the overall score and the amount of points earned. Every user gets a unique ID to prevent mix-up when people have the same name. Optionally, you can check that ID on someone's phone by clicking on the person's icon. Select how many winners you want to see. And choose if you want to see points and IDs in this overview. This can be of use if you want to copy and paste the results to, for example, PowerPoint. You can refresh this overview if people are still voting. And you can show the results on screen with this button. In Quiz Right Wrong, you can see who gave the right answer to the current question. If you want to make a new quiz and reset all scores, simply create a new session.